Hello everyone, you welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make commercial egg roll. Please watch to the very end and like this video so others can see it. This is a requested video. The ingredients I'll be using are flour. I've already sieved my flour. Go ahead and make it well in the middle, adding salt first. After adding salt, I go in with my baking powder. Ensure you add it in different positions. Then I go in with my sugar. After adding my sugar, I add my grated nutmeg. Grated nutmeg is optional, but it's good to add. Go ahead with a spatula and incorporate this properly. After incorporating all my dry ingredients, I go in with my vegetable oil. Remember, we're making a commercial egg roll. Using oil makes your production cost lower instead of margarine. But if you want to use margarine or butter, just go ahead and melt. Use the same quantity as the oil. I'm going to list all the ingredients and the measurements in the comment section, so please check it out. Ensure you watch this video to the very end, guys. So mix it properly to have a crumb-like texture. After mixing it properly, go ahead and add water. Ensure you add water in bits, because some flour take a lot of water while some take little water. So add water in bits and continue mixing. I'm using a wooden spatula here so that I can have that drawing texture, that consistency. This egg roll is the type that you find in the streets. If you are in Nigeria, you know that. See how dry it is. See? So that's what I was trying to achieve. That soft, we have two types of egg roll. We have the soft one and the strong egg roll. So this one is the soft one that you find in the local markets. See how dry it is. It will not be watery like the puff batter. It's still a dough, but it's elastic. Okay, so we'll set that aside and let it rest for a while we'll go ahead and peel our boiled eggs. So my egg is already boiled, guys, so I'm peeling it now. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. I want to especially thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you for being there. I see you all. Kindly recreate this video and drop a comment in the comment section. I want to hear from you guys. So I'm done peeling my egg. I'll go ahead and dust it with flour. This is to make sure that there is no water or any air bubble when I want to wrap my egg roll. If you don't dust your egg before wrapping it, you can have some air bubbles. See some egg roll that have some places with air bubbles. So you do away with that by using your flour to dust it. So I wrap my scale and I'm ready to weigh my flour. Before then, I put my kitchen napkin in my sieve so that when I'm frying, I will just drop it there. Are you seeing how dry that dough is? Perfect. So for this, I'm going to be weighing 90 grams. You can also, if you want your egg roll to be very big, very massive, you can do 100 grams. If you want it small, you can do 80 grams. So what I'm doing is the medium size, which is 90 grams, guys. So you press in your egg like this. You can see what I'm doing there. Wrap it and pinch the mouth to seal it up. Dust your hand with some flour and roll. And perfect. You are done. So guys, let's do the second one. This is perfect. The same measurement, same 90 grams. I'll open that up and add in my boiled egg. Wrap it up. Seal it up. After sealing it up, I roll that. Perfect. So I heat up my oil, add a little dough to check if it's hot. Once the dough has gone up, it means that the oil is hot, guys. So I'll go ahead and add in my egg roll. A lot of people make the mistake frying egg roll with very hot oil, and you have egg roll that is burnt outside and inside is uncooked. The perfect way to fry your egg roll is to ensure that your oil or your fire is medium to low heat. Make sure it's low heat. The next secret to frying a perfect commercial egg roll is to always stir it. Don't just dump your egg roll. Stir it consistently so that you have a uniform golden color. You can see that I've done frying the first batch and it's so perfect. It's perfectly cooked, and I'm doing the second batch now, guys. Immediately putting it, I go ahead and stir. When you are frying your egg roll, don't put it and go to do other things. No, guys, you stand and be stirring till the egg roll is done, so that you have a perfect uniform golden color. So this is one secret of making a very perfect commercial egg roll, guys. You can see this egg roll is done and it's perfectly golden color. Look at it, what we have here. Perfect. It's done. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Try this commercial recipe and let me know in the comment section. So I'll go ahead and cut it open. Let's see the inside of our egg roll. Can you see that? It's even very crunchy outside. Perfect. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.